Ravens are truly remarkable creatures. I'm not just a black bird perched on a branch. I am clever, curious, and sometimes a little mischievous. I can mimic voices, plan my next move, and even play tricks on both animals and humans. I use tools, bending sticks into hooks to grab food from tricky spots. I remember faces, especially if someone's wronged me, and I never forget a grudge. I play in the snow, fake out anyone spying on my food, and when one of us falls, I call others to learn and remember. I am proof that wild intelligence has wings.